Lately, it feels like every other influencer is waving around some miracle Korean skincare product, promising it'll fix every little issue overnight.
Nice.
And I believed it, all of it, until one day my research brain kicked in once again. I needed to know, do Koreans actually use this stuff? So I started digging, and guess what? These viral products aren't even popular in Korea. Honestly, I felt kind of betrayed. Like, how did I fall for this again? So I went digging, and after hours of research, I finally found some real answers. 8 amazing skincare products that Koreans actually buy, actually use, and actually repurchase because they are that amazing. You know, there's one special step Koreans treat like a ritual. You can tell just by how gentle and effective the products for this step are. I mean, did you know that your skin feeling squeaky clean isn't always a good sign? Many foaming cleansers are just too much and leave your skin feeling tight, dull, and stripped of all the little moisture it had left. This one is the most popular because it's balanced, gentle, and hydrating. Perfect for sensitive or dry skin types that still need a good cleanse without feeling dry. It's made with deep sea water from a South Korean island, known for its crystal clear, unpolluted waters. It helps soothe irritation, while panthenol and allotonin calm and hydrate your skin. A little goes a long way, so a dime-sized drop on damp skin is enough to create a nice lather. Gently massage it in, then rinse. You can use it every day, morning, or night, and it works well for all skin types. It's no surprise this one's a bestseller, but there's an even more popular product Koreans cannot get enough of. A regular cleanser, even though it's always sold out, isn't going to cut it when it comes to removing all that product buildup on your skin. This is why you need a good cleansing oil. And this one's Koreans' new favorite for a reason. It actually melts everything away while giving your skin a little extra TLC with added collagen. It has that perfect lightweight texture, like a silky oil that dissolves gunk without leaving a weird film. The added collagen is ultra low molecular, meaning it can actually absorb, not just sit on the surface.
Nice.
Collagen improves elasticity, smooths texture, plumps, and gives that youthful glow. To use it, massage 1 to 2 pumps for at least 30 seconds on dry skin. Dry skin is key because oil needs to cling onto all that product buildup you want gone, and water will just get in the way. Then add a splash of water to emulsify. It'll turn milky, and after that, just rinse clean. Do this for your first cleanse at night. This oil cleanser breaks everything down beautifully. But if you stop here, your pores could still be holding on to leftover gunk. And sis, that's exactly what leads to breakouts. This is why we need to double cleanse our skin.
Okay.
It removes product buildup, keeps pores clear, which prevents breakouts, and helps the rest of your skincare work better. So once you rinse off your oil cleanser, follow up with a gentle foaming cleanser to finish the job. But the Koreans' favorite foaming cleanser is mind-blowing because our Korean sisters don't just use any regular foam cleanser. They use a 2-in-1 cleanser that acts both as a mask and cleanser. Unlike other foam cleansers, this one doesn't need to be applied with water. Just smooth it over dry skin and within seconds, it starts to bubble up on its own. No scrubbing needed. Just leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes. Then add a splash of water, give it a quick massage, and rinse. While it bubbles, it gets deep into your pores, lifting out anything your oil cleanser didn't catch. It foams up without water by reacting with the air and natural moisture on your skin. These tiny bubbles help lift away leftover oil, dirt, and buildup for a much deeper cleanse. At the same time, fermented ingredients and collagen are working to soften, hydrate, and firm your skin. So basically, it's clearing out your pores and treating your skin all in one step. Koreans almost always buy it as a duo with this one. This duo is powerful. Clean, clear, and soft skin in one go. But if you skip what comes next, you could be weakening your skin barrier without even knowing it. That's exactly why this next product is one of the most repurchased and constantly sold out. I'm talking about a toner, but not just any toner. You need one that actually works for your skin, not against it. You want one that brings back hydration, balances your pH, calms redness, and preps your skin for everything that comes next. No stinging, no stripping, just support for your skin barrier. This toner is light, watery textured, and packed with minerals from deep sea water. It also has panthenol, allantoin, and betaine to soothe and hydrate. Tehran Lab Dope Dough Toner works for all skin types. After cleansing, apply a few drops to your hands or cotton pad if you prefer, and pat it onto your skin. This toner is a staple in Korea for a reason. It hydrates, soothes, and balances like magic. But our Korean girlies have already leveled up to a product even smarter, and it's constantly sold out. They've swapped traditional toner for something way more effective, a 2-in-1 toner and exfoliator pad. These pads make your routine quicker and a lot smarter. They tone your skin and gently exfoliate it at the same time. Now, why does this matter? Because regular exfoliation equals smoother skin, tighter looking pores, and better product absorption. But here's the catch. It has to be gentle enough for daily use. That's exactly what the Medicube Zero Pore Pad 2.0 delivers. It's soaked in a mild AHA and BHA blend that unclogs pores and sweeps away dead skin without the sting. It also has panthenol and centella to calm, soothe, and hydrate. Each pad has two sides. The embossed side is for exfoliating, and the silky side is to smooth and refine. Quick and no mess. It's safe for all skin types, even sensitive ones. So now your skin is clean, prepped, and ready. But here's where the real magic starts. Because the next product I'm about to show you has been Korea's #1 best-selling serum for over 11 years straight. And trust me, they don't hand out that title for no reason. It fades dark spots, acne scars, and redness without irritating the skin.
No.
But at the same time, it's gentle and actually works. This is the ISOI Blemish Care Up Serum, a brightening, blemish-fighting serum powered by Bulgarian rose oil and niacinamide. Together, they calm inflammation, even out skin tone, and brighten dull spots without messing with your skin barrier. After toning, just apply 1 to 2 pumps all over your face or focus on dark spots and red areas. Use it morning and night and give it a few weeks. Your skin will thank you. Now, if you're thinking, it's probably not for my skin type, here's the best part. It's made for sensitive skin, so it works for pretty much everyone. But it actually gets better because the next product is literally Botox in a bottle. Except natural and non-toxic. Because sis, you don't wait for wrinkles to show up before you start taking care of them. This is how you stay looking 25 at 40. By starting early, staying consistent, and choosing products that actually work for your future self.
Duh.
Speaking of, there is this one product Korean skincare fans love so much, they even call it the purple Botox cream. It's loved for its noticeable results. It visibly lifts, firms, and smooths your skin in just 2 weeks, which makes a great option for early anti-aging, especially if your skin's starting to feel a bit more meh. This face-lifting cream is packed with a 17-peptide complex, including agiraline and sin-ake, which relax facial muscles and smooth wrinkles, similar to how Botox works. And of course, it's a collagen booster. After your serum, apply a small amount to your face and neck. Pat it in gently. It's rich, but also absorbs beautifully. It's great as a night cream or under makeup in small amounts during the day. This lifting cream is a favorite for early anti-aging, no doubt. But the most popular skincare product in Korea is the one just about every Korean uses every single day. Because skipping the step could cost you everything. Even that pricey serum and rich moisturizer might go to waste. UV damage is the #1 cause of premature aging, dark spots, and skin barrier damage. No matter how good your products are, they won't save you if you don't protect your skin. That's why this sunscreen is the #1 most bought in Korea. It's non-negotiable. Everyone in Korea is obsessed with it because it gives you SPF 50+ protection without that heavy, greasy, or chalky feel. It acts like a moisturizer and sunscreen in one, which makes mornings easier. It contains birch sap, which is super hydrating, along with panthenol and niacinamide to smooth and brighten. The finish is dewy but not oily, no white cast either. Use it as the last step in your morning routine. Apply a generous amount, like 2 fingers worth, and reapply every few hours if you're outside. It works well under makeup as well. I know it's tempting to try everything at once, but trust me, your skin will thank you if you go slow. Overloading your routine can completely wreck your skin barrier. If your skin's been acting up lately, too many products might be the reason. Watch this video to learn how to actually strengthen your skin barrier.